Hi everyone, Dafan the ProfessorZ here. Let's talk about the 3 most useful resources you need to start your business.
Hi, I'm Dafan the ProfessorZ, your real-life homeless to Ivy League professor, attorney, and serial entrepreneur.
The first most useful resource you can have to start a business is money. Of course, that makes sense. You need money to do everything. You need money to register your business. You need money to buy inventories. You need money to buy supplies. You might even need money to gain a skill. Whichever way you spin it, you need money for all kinds of things. As a matter of fact, as a small business owner, you can never have enough money. That's why they say cash is king. Because without cash, even if you have a great business and great idea, you are not likely to be successful. The second one we don't talk about as much, it's time. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about time here. Time is a very important resource and frequently overlooked. When you first start a business, your business will rely on you quite a bit. So much so that probably every waking moment of your day will be consumed with your business. There are endless tasks that you need to do to start, to launch, and to run the business. And most people who have never done it before are overwhelmed when they actually start their business and stare down all these tasks. When you're working at a larger company, there are other people to help you. If you're unable to finish all the tasks, you can go back to your supervisor, you can go back to the owner and ask for more resource. It's either more time, maybe extend the deadline a bit, or more people, more human resource for someone else to come and help you. But when you start a business on your own, it's very difficult. You have a set budget, and if you need more help, you have to take money out of your budget that you didn't account for to get that help. Maybe you need to hire a consultant. Maybe you need to hire some workers to help you finish your product. Maybe you need someone to answer the phones. All those things cost money. So what happened? Many times the owners end up doing it themselves. All these little tasks, little but crucial tasks, will fall onto the owner. So as an entrepreneur, you have to take care of it all. And if you don't have enough time, maybe things don't get done and business will suffer. Many people like side hustles. They work a full-time job and they have a business on the side. Those kind of businesses are sustainable in the short term if you have the right expectations. If you never expect your side hustles to get big, then perhaps you can run it on the nights and weekends and in your spare time. But if you want to scale, you want to grow big, you want to expand, you are going to need the time. Many incubators and accelerators require the founders work full-time in order to get funded because they understand if the founders don't dedicate all their time to the project is not likely to succeed. So your side hustle, without all your time and all your involvement, all your energy, might stay a side hustle forever. That's why time is important. The third important resource I'm going to talk about is your network. I think a lot of entrepreneurs understand this is important, but they don't spend enough effort, enough energy, and enough focus to build their network. When you first start your business, the first set of customers might be your friends, your associates, and people you know. So the bigger your network, the better it is to get it started. Of course, not all of your customers come from your network, but your network is a really important starting point. There are the seeds that can help you grow. Most of your friends, most of your associates, people you know, your classmates, your coworkers, those are the people that will give you the benefit of the doubt and patronize your business when you first start. And if they really like what you have to offer, they will tell others. They will bring in other customers. There will be the first wave of referrals for your business, which is super important. So having a big, great network will make launching your business a lot easier. So how do you cultivate that network? Many of us has associates. Many of us know a lot of people. We can go on LinkedIn. We can go on Facebook, find hundreds, if not thousands of contacts. But if you don't talk to those people regularly, when you contact them for the first time in a year or two to ask them to look at your business, to ask them to patronize your business, they might not come. They might feel offended. They might feel like you're only asking them to ask for their money. So as an entrepreneur, before you start your business, you should cultivate your personal and professional network to make sure that you stay in contact with everyone, because one day when you're ready to launch, you can ask them for feedback, you can ask them to check out your business, and maybe they will be your first customers. Those are the easiest customer acquisition you will ever have in your business. So take some time, figure out your network, and cultivate those relationships today. If you like my simple 5-minute lectures, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Be successful.